What's going on YouTube? This is Kevin with Arnold Prints. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have kind of a simple episode going on for you, basically to show you how to make a t-shirt. So we have design that a customer sent us. We're going to show you in Illustrator how to do it today. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, welcome back. So what we're going to do is load up Illustrator. I'm going to show you the view right here and show you the artwork that the customer sent us to complete the design. Alright guys, here's the art. So basically it's a simple long sleeve design and it has just simple text on it, really nothing crazy. So this is for a customer of ours. She was a scribe. Now she went back to medical school and she's super excited. So she's making some t-shirts for her parents. So it says on here, got pain with a question mark, ... wait. And then at the side here, it says, my daughter is almost a doctor. Okay. So, and then the second shirt's going to say F.O.MS, which I guess is the, father of a medical student abbreviation they came up with. So kind of cool. I like it. I dig it. These are, very personable shirts, and we do a lot of these type things. This is only like 4 shirts that we're doing, so not a huge load, so you have to price it accordingly, of course. So what we end up doing is basically finding a nice price point where we can help them out as a friend. We're going to do this actually in vinyl, that way it's not screen print. If you had screen print, you would have the extra screen charge, ink color change, and all that for each design. Not worth it, guys. So do it in vinyl. It's going to be simple. White and black vinyl, we have it readily available in the shop, and we're willing to do it. So that's design 1. Design 2 here is the same thing. I guess she's basically putting similar text on each shirt, just different color shirts, okay? So looks like most of our family members are getting these shirts here. All right, so what we have here is we've loaded up Illustrator, and what we're going to do is basically make a new project. So we got Illustrator loaded up, and basically a t-shirt design, we're going to change it over to inches. So basically width, we're going to say, most of these shirts are going to be a front chest design. So we're going to do like 10, maybe 10.5 inches. And we'll just do it, we'll say, up to 12 since it's going to be kind of a wordy text here. And that'll make our window here. All right, so we got our design window up. And this is Illustrator CC 2019 for those of you who don't know it or don't have it. So what we're going to do is basically look at this, first design. So got pain ... wait, okay? So we're going to do that first. So just going to take a simple text tool and we're just going to map it out. So got pain, and then we'll do 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, and then space wait. All right, and I think she had a question mark, as it's a question. Got pain, right? So wait. And let's see here. My daughter is almost a doctor. All right. So we're going to go back to Illustrator, just kind of blow this up. Like I said, we're figuring it's going to go about the chest level, so a couple fingers underneath the chest line there. So got pain, wait, and then we'll just do another one here. My daughter is almost a doctor. We'll just make all the beginnings caps. And it's actually kind of funny. So it says got pain, wait, my daughter's almost a doctor, like she's going to be a pain or she's going to help you out, So save your pain for her, just a doctor. So she's got it basically in 2 lines, so we're going to change that. So we're going to come in here, text tool here is almost a doctor, and this is the tough part, so you got to blow this up, and we got to figure out how we're going to align it, if we're going to center align these here and then maybe align them so that they're horizontally aligned. Now let's see how she had it on the design. So there's like maybe 2 lines in between. So that's pretty much the design there. So got paint. There we All right, so we're going to look at the different fonts here. So we got Pain, and maybe just start playing around with different fonts. See what looks good. It's almost like that milk commercial, Got Milk, that type thing. So maybe we'll do like this one here, Acumen Variable Concept. It looks like there's a bold edition, so we'll do bold. That looks more like the Got Milk type campaign. What we're going to do is create this into outlines. That way the cutter cuts it real nice. It makes it easier to size it. So what we're going to do is basically take this here and go to width 10.5. All right. And we're just going to align it. Let's make it 10. And then make the daughter one width 10. And create outlines again. Now you see, if you don't create the outlines, what happens is basically whenever I sized it, it wasn't a true size. So now that it has the sizing actually completely done where it's outlined, it's a true size. So basically the margins meet up correctly. So it says 9.966 when I actually sized it to 10 supposedly. So I'm gonna go ahead and size it to 10, so now we're accurate. And what we're gonna do is basically realign these so they're vertically aligned. And that looks like it's about it. So this design is, looks like 10 by 5 or so. And we'll just kind of stretch it just a little bit. There we go. And we'll save that. So that's going to be design number 1. And we'll just save it as Got Pain. AI. We'll go ahead and just save it to desktop. Okay. So the next one is the Foams, Father of a Medical Student. Should be pretty easy. So what we can do for that is just, back up. We can almost use the same text. And then we'll just go f.o.m.s. And then same thing here. Father of a medical student. All right, delete all that. Bada bing. And then we just got to do the spacing. So she wants this nice and big. So again, we got the Acumen. We're going to outline just as we did before. So width is 10. And we'll pull that over here in the center. And we'll do the same thing. Create outlines. 10. And what we'll do for this, we're going to make this a little bit taller so it stands out a little bit more. And then this Father of a Medical Student will be just a little bit smaller. That way the emphasis is on the main, foams, and then you have the explanation underneath it. So we'll bring that up just a little bit. This is going to be right on the chest here. The other one's going to slightly go past. This is a perfect chest design here. So what we'll do is we'll go like 5.5. Wrong way. Let's see, width and height. So we'll make it about a 4-inch height. So 10 by 4 on the chest will sit pretty nice. And then we're just going to go ahead and save this. Foams, desktop. So simple and easy, guys. As you see how it's done here, we made basically 2 designs. This girl's got her shirt designs that she's been looking for, and it's going to work out great. You can do this simply at home if you have Photoshop or any kind of program like this. She has another 2 that basically are done the same exact way, and the other one says basically my granddaughter is almost a doctor and my daughter is almost a doctor. So we're just going to repeat the same process using that Got Pain template and just plug them in. Super simple and easy, something you can do at home. And then what we do after this is basically, send it to the cutter, cut the scissor easy weed vinyl, and then what we do is we weed it, heat stamp it, and you're done. Your shirts are done. One order is out of the way. So if you guys are looking for more tips, take a look at our channel. We have different stuff going on, from screen printing. We're going to have embroidery coming up as well too. We have vinyl, heat transfer vinyl, as well as decal vinyl. And we're also going to be doing some tours of some local shops here in upcoming weeks. So take a look out for that, and stay tuned to us, guys. We appreciate everything you do, and keep doing what you're doing. Print on and keep on. Thanks, guys. Till the next one.